Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a competitive math exam question based on algebra. We can see that an equation is given and it has been mentioned that if the value of x is 4 and the value of y is not equal to minus 1.5, what is the value of y? Now in this equation we have to plug in the value of x as 4 and then we have to get the value of y. But it is also mentioned that y should not be equal to minus 1.5. Now why is this? So let us first understand why y should not be equal to minus 1.5. Now you can see over here in the denominator we have been given 2y plus 3. So if we put y equal to negative 1.5, so here you can see that I have taken the denominator 2y plus 3 and in place of y we have plugged in its value as negative 1.5. So 2 times negative 1.5 plus 3. So 2 multiplies with minus 1.5 giving us minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. So if the denominator goes down to 0, so if this becomes 0, this entire function becomes infinite because anything divided by 0 gives us infinity. So to avoid this, they have mentioned that do not take y equal to negative 1.5. Now let us focus on the given equation. So if you're thinking about the cross multiplication and then simplifying it, there is one more easy way. First, always identify if any of the given expression is factorizable. So here if I look at this numerator 10xy plus 15x, we can easily factorize it. So 10 can be written in terms of its prime factors, that is 2 times 5 times x times y, plus 15 can be written as 3 times 5 times x over 2y plus 3 plus 3y equal to 1. Now the denominator is not factorizable, we cannot take anything common out, so we have kept rest of the terms as it is. Now in the numerator if we see, phi is a common factor from the first term and from the second term, and x is also a common factor, so let us circle it out and we are going to pull out these common factors out of these two terms this way. So 5x is being taken out and inside the bracket we have the remaining terms, that is from the first term we have 2y and from the second term we have plus 3. So it becomes 5x times 2y plus 3 divided by 2y plus 3 plus 3y equal to 1. Now the denominator 2y plus 3 and the numerator 2y plus 3 can be divided by each other. So here this is 1 times and this is also 1 times. So this equation simplifies as 5x plus 3y is equal to 1. Now taking 5x on the other side of equal to sign, we get 3y is equal to 1 minus 5x. Now taking 3 on the other side of equal to sign, we get the equation of y as 1 minus 5x whole thing divided by 3. Now since the value of x is given as 4, now we can plug in its value in this equation. Simplifying it, 1 minus 5 times 4 is 20. So we get 1 minus 20 over 3, or the value of y is going to be 1 minus 20 is going to be negative 19. So negative 19 over 3. So this is going to be the value of y. So let us see if this is in the options above. So here we have the option B as our answer. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this question interesting, then make sure to check out this playlist. You'll find more interesting examples of these kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.